2024 tax refunds. In today's video, why are you still waiting on your 2024 tax refund? Well, we are going to try and figure out what is going on in terms of the IRS responses on their website. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And we also have the next direct deposit date shared. And welcome back, everyone. So very happy to have you back for another IRS update. Now, the Where is My Refund tool on irs.gov is where you need to be checking the status of your delayed tax refund 24 hours after you e-file your tax return, 3 to 4 days after you file a prior tax return, and 4 weeks after you file a paper tax return. Now, how the Where is My Refund tool works, it will give you status updates in terms of return received, which means the IRS has received your tax return and they are currently processing it. Refund approved status means the IRS has approved your tax return and they are preparing to issue you your tax refund by the date shown on your status update. Refund sent means the IRS has sent your tax refund to your bank. Keep in mind, it can take up to an additional 5 days to show up in your bank account or several weeks later if they are mailing you a refund check. Now, before you file a second tax return, the IRS is stating that filing the same tax return again typically will not speed up your tax refund and could even cause more delays. You should resubmit your tax return if these situations apply to you. You are due a refund, you file on paper more than 6 months ago, and the Where is My Refund tool does not show that the IRS has received your tax return. In that situation, they are stating that you need to resubmit your tax return. Now, when to call the IRS, they are stating again, you should call them only when the Where is My Refund directs you to call. I disagree. Call them as many times as you need to check on your delayed tax refund. Now, if your refund is delayed, it may mean that your tax return is under review, or it has mistakes, is missing information, has suspicious activity, identity fraud, identity theft. If the IRS can fix whatever is going on with your tax return, they're stating that they will, and they will notify you by mail, as well as if they need additional information from you, they will also send you notification to provide that additional information. If you're under review, the resolution can take up to 120 days, and many of you have been waiting way beyond that time frame. Make sure to contact your local state representative. Make sure to contact the Taxpayer Advocate Service as well as the IRS for assistance. All of the information on how to contact your local state representative, how to contact the Taxpayer Advocate Service, as well as how to contact the IRS, I will pin that video in the comment section as well as in the description box, and you can also find it in the 2024 income tax refund playlist. What you should do while you're waiting: in most instances, the IRS states no further action is needed. Again, they will contact you by mail if they need additional information, or if they have made any changes to your tax return, they will send you an explanation by mail. If you don't agree, make sure to respond timely by the due date in that letter. If you file electronically and you receive an acknowledgement, you do not need to take any further action other than promptly respond for any additional information. Now, in terms of forms, they are currently processing individual tax returns. Form 1040, original, received August of 2024, amended, received May of 2024. That does not include those that are under review. Form 941, original, received August of 2024, amended, excluding the ERC credit, received February of 2024. And Form 1041, original, received August of 2024 and amended, received May of 2024. Now, letters and notices, they are currently processing your correspondence, received June of 2024. If you had to provide additional information, there is a backlog. They are currently on June and we are in September. So that can also be the reason why you're still waiting on your 2024 tax refund. Now, in terms of the total numbers, the IRS has not updated the numbers since May 10th of 2024, so we do not know where they are in terms of how many tax returns are still delayed as of right now, unfortunately. And finally, the good news, the next direct deposit date shared is September 9th, 2024. Check your IRS online transcript for 846 refund issued, and make sure to share with us in the comments if you did receive a next direct deposit date. Ask any questions, make sure to share the video, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to come back for more 2024 tax refund updates and breaking news. Bye bye.